When our tools evolve, we evolve. We've been doing it for millions of years now, from chimps to humans, with many, many, many steps along the way. We keep finding new ones too, who all lived amongst each other and even interbred and kept evolving together. When we learned to bang food out of trees with sticks, for instance, we could stand up some more. When we made fire, our food was softer, and so our teeth got smaller, and our faces got cuter, arguably too. We had more time on our hands, so we could develop language. This is a gross oversimplification, obviously, but you get the idea, right? We evolve as a species when our tools evolve. And our tools are evolving faster than ever right now. According to the CDC, in 2017, about 2% of all babies born in the U.S. were conceived with some help in a lab through in vitro fertilization. More than 8 million in vitro humans are now walking among us on the planet. A full third of U.S. adults either have used a fertility treatment or know someone who has in the past. We've already made sperm in a lab, and what we're doing with DNA and cloning and whatnot is insane. And this is the part that really gets me. Ready? It is estimated that more than 1 million fertilized human embryos are now currently sitting on ice in labs just waiting to be born. They could be implanted in a woman today and born in a few months. There are already cases where embryos were frozen and then born more than 25 years later. They could also be implanted in a woman in 1,000 years, although by then they're probably just going to be raised fully in a lab, hopefully in space. Which brings me to the headline of this piece. More than 1 million American adults now identify as non-binary, as in not male or female, according to a new study by the Williams Institute. They differ in terms of who they want to have sex with, or if they want to have sex, how they refer to themselves, and in lots of other ways, but all of them no longer identify as male or female, which has a lot of people very upset, calling them mentally ill, but I personally am not surprised, because we no longer need to have sex to make babies. We no longer biologically need to be male or female in order for our species to survive. So why wouldn't we evolve past gender if we no longer need it? Why would we stop evolving at a time when our tools are evolving faster than ever? Which of course begs the question, what are we evolving into? Whether it's traditional aliens, the Greys, or interstellar jellyfish-like light sails, or perhaps even just ones and zeros in another universe, to me, it looks like we're evolving as our species is wont to do. Whether that's right or wrong isn't for me to say, but I am curious to know what the Neanderthals might have made of all of this.